How about scholars ready now?
It's going great though. I've gotten my Ashwebi. I just gave them to Taylor yesterday.
Really? I've gotten my own too. You really have to be there for Tola.
Yes, I just hope my Taylor does not disappoint.
Yes,
we need to show up for her.
That's
See, I've been meaning to tell you.
Oh, really?
There's this business opportunity I was thinking about. Yes, it's about real estate. So, yeah, we'll be investing in houses and landed properties. You know the value of all these things. They continue to appreciate as time goes by.
I will have to talk to my husband about
Okay,
it.
no problem.
Please
Excuse me. Hello? Yes, this is Mrs. Shea speaking. What? I've been denied?
Oh my God.
Again? No, I can't take this. This is the 7th time. I've been applying for visas and now I've been denied. I've always been denied. I cannot. I invested a lot of money in this. My husband and children are over there.
Calm down. Calm down. What time is the best? Calm down.
What's time? When does this time want to come?
I think I will have to invite you to my church.
Where? What's the name of the church?
Upon Mozambique Revival and Bible Church.
Who is it located at?
We'll be holding our retreat next week. We're coming up on the 20th to 23rd of next of this month.
Where is the church located at?
It's located at Aye Junction along Ijawe Road. And I'm very sure by the time you come, you will receive your miracle. I'm very sure that by the time you apply for the visa, they are going to give you.
How sure am I?
Don't worry.
How sure am I? Do you have any
my pastor. God is really using that man.
Have you experienced it before?
You don't know. You don't know. The one I told you about then.
Oh, your husband?
Yes. Now, someone. It was someone that invited me then. And it was that same year that my husband was given the visa.
Wow, I'll consider it. Are you going also so we can go together? No problem.
I'll come and pick you up. Okay?
For the past 5 years, I've been writing jam, and ever since just I've no admission.
Past 5 years, I was left school. Oh, yes. God will take charge. Let me invite you to our program. Upon Zion Church is having December retreat. Yes, now on 20, so only on Friday, 20 to 24.
I'm going to so many
Don't be discouraged. Our pastor has anointed. That one is it. All the other churches, your story will change if you come to Upon Zion Church. Don't worry, I will invite you
personally.
Hope
it's not far.
Don't worry, there is accommodation, there is feeding. There is a bus that will come and take you from your spot. I will even be there to monitor everything. Yes. Don't worry. My own case was this. 3 years, I couldn't see admission. But when God gave me admission, it was with scholarship. And God did it for me.
I
now.
pray the God of your church.
It will do it for you. Now I'm in my final years. Don't worry, God will do it for you. Don't worry, God will do everything. Shut up now. Let me even give you a flyer, self. Yeah. Just read everything. God will do it for you. Mercy, God will bring everything in your life. Don't worry. Do you even have transport fare?
I don't.
Oh, let me give you. Take. Just use it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
you very much. I will.
Bye.
Sorry, if you don't know, then are you moving up though? Sorry, then you know that will be fight now. So it's you're welcome. What happened to you? What are you saying?
But you know, I only went out to look for money to buy drug for Oladisi. You know my boss still has to give me a sack letter.
Sack letter? Why? For what? Sack letter again? This is not what I'm expecting.
How are you?
Letter?
It's okay. It's going to be well.
When? When is it going to be well? When?
Where is that? Danny!
Give me! Please, leave me alone in this house. It is enough. See, all these dramas we are doing is enough for me. This house,
Ma, please, you can see Olabisi is not finished.
See, this is the third year you have been living in this house.
Please,
without paying house rent. And who does that? Who does that? Who does that? I don't know. Me or mom, I show that. January 1, I don't want to see anybody in this house.
Please.
Hey, Finn, I better you very late. No, I'm not leaving this house. Grandma, I'm not leaving. I've been hearing. I'm not leaving. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Grandma, leave me alone. That's me. Who pays? Who pays? Èmi náà ń bẹ̀. Èmi náà wà ń bẹ̀. Ẹjọ́. Every this is my house. You are troubling me. I'm suffering. No, let me. I built this house with my sweat. Oluwa. This is the third day. I'm living in this house.
Mama, please. Mo promise me. Mama, son. Mama,
Just give us small time.
Okay, because of you now.
Thank you, ma.
Because of you. Because of you. Because of her. Ma fún yín da January ma. Ṣé mo kọ́ tó ń jẹ́ January? Tọ́ba ti kọ́pì ní iye báyìí, màmá sábọ̀ lẹ́yìn. Eré ni màmá sábọ̀. Tí bá ti rí abẹ́rẹ́. Abẹ́rẹ́ mi ò fẹ́ rí. Kò kàn mí.
thank you. Ẹ ṣé. Kí mo fẹ́ gbá mo ní ìta tí mo fi sọ.
Báwo lára Olabisi is not feeling fine. I thought I went out to get money to buy drug for Olabisi. On getting back to work, my boss has to give me a sack letter. And now the landlady is still on us again.
I still have to go to the hospital. I have to go to the hospital next week for operation.
Go to take home.
I don't have any money, so this is not really fine. We don't pay house
Go to
rent.
take home.
God. Daphne, what can you do to help us? We are tired of this life. We are tired.
I don't know if you can come. We have a program next week.
Which program is
My
that?
church program, upon Nigerian Revival and Bible Ministry.
What day?
This is our hand bill. We're having our retreat this week, and it will be starting on the 20th. This is it. To the 23rd.
3 days.
Yes,
How are we going to survive 3 days?
My sister, there is free accommodation, free food, and in fact, free blessings. You have no problem at all. Everything is secure.
You don't mean it.
Serious.
Wait, you mean free food?
Everything is
Accommodation?
Yes.
And free healing?
Yes. I think you guys remember.
I think you guys remember the time when Tolu was sick, my older child.
Yes.
That was where I took her to, and she was ill, instant healing. You told me. I was
Come back,
not now. That's not now.
Okay.
It's not now.
When is it? This problem is too much. Man, let's just go and pack our things and follow.
Alright. What about why not picking her?
She's going.
She'll be going.
Let me go and pack her.
Let's go and pack our things.
I'll see you guys later.
Thanks for watching that our amazing drama. We are using this opportunity to invite you to our 2024 December retreat coming up on the 20th to the 23rd of this December, featuring
salvation, healing from embarrassing sickness, deliverance from affliction, mercy for breakthrough from failure,
Revealing prayers.
and lots more.
and it's tagged
Divine mercy for extra